Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the sound section. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down a little bit and as you can see here we've got whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls and this is the phone ringtone option, but also for the notifications and alarms. I will show you how to do it using phone ringtone, so let me tap on it and as you can see we've been just transferred to the full list of all available system and defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can tap on custom ringtone and if you will have any compatible files, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But I will pick something from the system option, and if you'd like to check how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it. Let me volume it down a little bit. Of course, you can check all of them if you want to. So if you are happy with your choice, if you'd like to set particular ringtone as your own, just make sure that it is marked like here and get back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about any incoming call. Obviously, it will work the same with the notifications and alarms. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.